Good morning students. Next chapter algebra. Chapter 3 algebra. It's a new chapter for you. Already you know the basics, variables, powers and constant numbers x, y in alphabets A to Z. That is known as variables. Numbers known as numerical constants. The alphabet letters are called as variables. Numbers are called as numerical constant. In this chapter we are discussing about the power of the variables. Power of the variables. Power or otherwise it is called as exponent. Name exponent. It is a power of 2. It is called as also a exponent. It's spelled as square. A squared, B squared. That's a form for power 2. At first we are discussing about 4 formulas. First one x plus a into x plus b. All are variable. Here these two are similar variable. These are different variable. So a, b, it can be either numbers. They are given some numbers. X only the variables. What is the formula for x plus a into x plus b? X square plus a plus b into x plus ab, x square, variable square, and add the constants and multiply the constants. In between we are multiply the variable. Next a plus b the whole square. This formula, it's a very essential formula. You can use anywhere while you are studying maths. A plus b the whole square. It's a basic, very basic formula in algebra. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Separately squared and then multiply and also multiply by 2. It's a general formula. It's very basic formula. While you are studying maths in whatever higher degree standard, it's a very basic formula. A minus b the whole square. Same. In between minus symbol. A square minus 2ab plus b square. And then 1 plus 1 minus a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. It's a 4 essential formula in the algebra. It's very basic formula, but it can be repeatedly used in your higher studies. Exercise 3.1 first sum. Express the following product of factors. We want to convert into factors means small unit. We know that factors, some case of in this paper is the factors of some liquid component of trees. So factors. The whole product is paper, but the basic units are the trees pulps. Then they are given as the whole number. We want to break it into the product 24, which can be divided by second table. 12 2s are 24. Again second table 6 2s are 12. Again second table 3 2s are 6. Now only we can choose the third table. 2 repeatedly how many times? 1 2 3. 2 1 2 3 3 one time. 1 leave it. Another a one time. B squared means double time. C squared means double time. That's all our answer. Next 36. You can choose any other table, no problem. I can choose first second table 18 times. Again second table 9 times. 9 come in third table. 3 3s are 9. Again third table 1 3 is 3. You can choose first third table, again second table, no problem. Your choice. So 36 break it to the factors are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Again x cube can be written as x 3 times. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. It's a multiplication symbol. Differentiates smaller x and then multiplication. Y squared means y 2 times and then z. 56 is for homework. It comes for 2 table, 4 table, any other your choice. You can break it and write it. Small unit. First starting from small table 2, 3, 4. Okay. Next sum using the identity x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus x into a plus b into x plus ab. They are given us the formula. Another name of the formula is identity. By using this formula we can solve our problem. X plus 3 into x plus 7. They are given formula. We can simply substitute the value. Here x for x A for 3, X for X, B for 7. X for X also, A for 3, B for 7. Write it in the formula in the given sum also. X squared X into A plus B plus AB. X squared X replaced by X. X squared X also X. A plus B for, we are substituting the values for 3 plus 7. And then AB 3 into 7. Finally add this value 3 plus 7, 10x. 10 into x, 10x, 3 into 7, 21. That's all. Next sum 6a plus 9, 6a minus 5. Here x for 6a, any other variable a to z they are given. We want to find out what is the variable here. The same value repeated, 6a, 6a. This one is the variable. 6a is x, a is 9, b is minus 5. Take to the symbol. It's very essential. Now our formula x squared x into a plus b plus ab. X squared 6a the whole square, x also 6a, a plus b 9 minus 5 and then ab 9 into minus by 6a the whole square 6 and a. Here 2 times are there. We want to multiply the 2 times 2 times. 6 6 are 36, a into a square. Again 6a, 9 minus 5, 9 minus 5, 4. 9 into minus 5, minus 45. This is 36a squared, 4 6 are 24a, plus into minus, minus 45. That's all. Next sum 4x plus 3y, 4x plus 5y. Here repeated value 4x, so it is x, a equal to 3y, b equal to 5y. Complete your homework sum. Next sum 8 plus pq, pq plus 7. The same value we know. That is the x value. A value is 8, b value is 7. Write it in the format pq plus 8, pq plus 7. Or otherwise you are find outing this method also right. X squared plus a plus b into x plus ab. X squared x here pq. pq the whole square. A plus b 8 plus 7 into pq. A b 8 into 7. pq the whole square. Whatever inside the square we want to square the both value. P squared and also the q squared. 8 plus 7, 15 pq, 8 7s are 56. That's all.